again, special thanks to our friends at this company who are nice enough to send us this 550 milliliter insulin cooler. This is a large capacity insulin anti-free design portable cooler for when you're on the go and you need your insulin with you. Photo there, a little bit of the steps and what's included in the box, some specs in case you're wondering the sizes, the sticker of course. Let's open this on up. I love that it's like sealed, like I have to build this to actually open it. That's pretty cool. Slide it out. That's it for in the box. Love the blue color, nice and smooth, just got their nice little logo on it. Completely sealed, nice little top here with the handle. If I spin this off, that's how you get inside, where you've got your ice pack that you can freeze so that it can stay nice and cool to keep your insulin pins cold. And then you just have a little instruction guide. And so there you have it. That's what you would get inside of this box for this AUVON 550 milliliter insulin cooler. Perfect for somebody on the go who needs to keep their insulin nice and cold. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.